What's up guys? Welcome to my channel, and for today's video is magka-unbox tayo ng Tadaan! So hindi halata dito kung ano yung i-unbox, pero ito is yung Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Nakuha ko siya through Globe renewal plan, and nag-apply ako sa plan last week and medyo na-delay na. So, aware naman yung Globe na na-delay and nagsabi naman sila in advance. So, itong package is actually dapat dadating pa on or before July 20 daw. And ngayon is July 7, so medyo napaaga naman. So, at least, so excited na ako guys. And tanggalin na natin siya sa plastic. So, XVE Logistics naman yung nag-deliver. So, safe naman siya. Tingnan natin. Yun. Tada! Yan. So, after 4 or 5 years, ngayon lang ulit ako nagkabagong phone. Yung phone ko currently is yung gamit ko pang record, which is S7 Edge. So, nag-decide ako na kumuha na rin ng bagong phone, lalo na at nag-video ako sa YouTube ngayon. Para naman gumanda yung quality ng mga videos ko. So, nakuha ko siya, tulad nga ng binanggit ko kanina, nakuha ko siya through a plan. So, Globe plan 999 ako, plus yung monthly payment for this phone. So, mas mura siya kaysa pagbili niyo siya sa Samsung na store. Even with yung ongoing na BDO promo, mas mura pa din pag kunin niyo siya through a Globe plan. So, very recommended na kunin if gusto niyo rin na ng bagong phone, and if kaya niyo yung additional na bayad every month. So, let's start. So, ito na siya. And ang laman ng box is itong phone. Ang reflective, oh. Hi guys. Then, so lapag muna natin siya. Then, ang kasama niya pa is the adapter, yung charger. Ano to? Ito is box lang ata to eh. Yeah, box lang. Then yung cable for the charger. Tapos natin dyan. Then AKG na earphones. So since wala na tong headphone jack, yung earphones is Type-C. So hindi ka na makakakinig ng music while charging. May kasama rin siyang mga earpad, something. So if need nyo ng extra, may provided naman sila. Yun lang. Yun lang ata naman ng box. Wala ba siya yung panusok? Ang alam ko dapat meron. Eto. So may mga laman ko pala to. So nandito na nga yung panusok, kung naman tawag dyan. Ito, may case din siya nakasama. So nandito din yung quick start guide and yung warranty card, as well as a case. So maganda yung case. Pero bumili din ako ng case na ipapakita ko sa inyo later. Alright. Yun lang. So, wala nang laman. Lagay natin dyan pang props. Ito wala na rin laman. So, pwede natin tanggalin. And clear na natin yung table. So, ito na siya guys. Hindi naman ako excited So, kita niyo sa reflection yung luma kong phone, which is S7 Edge. Okay. Tanggalin ko na ba yung plastic? So, may plastic siya sa likod. For siguro, pang iwas ng thumbprints and for protection. Pero feel ko pwede ko na siya tanggalin. Tatanggalin ko siya mamaya pag ikakabit ko na yung case. So, kita yung camera. Ayan, medyo malaki. Pero hindi naman ako nababother sa laki niya. Okay lang naman for me. And ina-expect ko na mas mabigat siya, pero parang saktong-sakto lang siya for me. For my preference. Yung luma kong phone medyo mas maliit. So, ito is relatively bigger. So, on na natin. Let's go. So, isa-set up naman guys, and I'll be right back. So, while nag-set up siya, lapag lang natin. Pakita ko sa inyo yung case na binili ko. So, itong case is from Rinke. And, kinuha ko siya dahil color blue and my design. So, let's open it. NANI? Paano nga ba ito binubuksan? Ayan, ito lang pala. So, ito yung case. Color blue. Just yung favorite ko. May kasamang protective film removal guide. Yan. So, color blue siya na okay naman yung design. So, for comparison, ito yung free na case. And ito yung case na binili ko. So, either one, baka pagpalit-palitan ko. Pero, mas protected kasi ako dito sa Rinke na case. May kasama din siyang hand strap para hindi malaglag. Lalo na for people na medyo clumsy tulad ko. So, yan. So, yung option na for protection, so, fingerprint tayo. Pero lalagay din tayo ng pattern. So, ultrasonic na yung fingerprint scanner na to. So, ganun na lang siya. Alright, so adding the finishing touches na lang. Yun na, globe. Yan yung default na wallpaper. Right, so yan, nakasetup na. For the next part, try na natin itong case na binili ko para protected na agad siya. Peel off lang natin tong plastic sa likod. Yan. Then, nalagay na natin to. Lagi ako natatakot paglagay ng case kasi feel ko madadamage ko yung phone. Pero ito naman is nag-fit properly. So, ayan na siya. Ganda naman. Alright, so I've been using the S20 Plus for a week. Let me flash the specs on the screen so you can take a look. And the only thing I don't like about the phone is its battery life. But this is due to my phone being the inferior global version of the S20 Plus with the Exynos 990 instead of the Snapdragon Qualcomm 865. Performance-wise, I haven't encountered any problem. Day by day, I discover new features that I love. Games run very smoothly on this device. For its speakers, it comes with a Dolby Atmos setting, which amps up the sound quality, but I think it would be easier to show you in the next clips. So for its camera, which is the main selling point for me, this is the best camera I've had on a smartphone, and having 3 lenses, wide, telephoto, and ultra wide, opens up a lot of possibilities with your shots and video recordings. So the Samsung S20 Plus has one of the best displays out there with its dynamic AMOLED 2x capacitive touchscreen, resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels with a size of 6.7 inches. So as you can see, the colors are very vibrant and you'll never get tired of watching videos on this phone. So go ahead and watch my videos. Alright, so that's it for my 1 week review of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Make sure to get this phone if you have the money for it, and if you have access to the US version of it for the superior chipset. That's it for the video, guys, and I hope you liked this video. And if you want more content like this, syempre hindi muna ibang phone kasi expensive. But if you want more unboxing and more game videos and more tutorials and more figure reviews, please remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop a comment if you have any other questions. So see you next time, guys. Bye.